Well, the camps and the rifts that continue as far as Karnataka Congress is now concerned over the coveted post of the Chief Minister's kursi. Now, what is being said that there are Congress workers who seems to be batting for DK Shivkumar and has now penned a letter to the Congress High Command, and the plea is now to make Deputy CM DK Shivkumar as the Chief Minister. This letter that has been addressed to the party High Command that has now seems to have sparked a lot of buzz and has now been warning of a poll impact if DKS is ignored. Let's get connected with Navya on this. Navya, the High Command has tried to, downplay it and saying that there is no camps or any when it comes to issue being contested as to who will be the Chief Minister. But it seems that a letter has now been penned by a Congress worker to the Congress High Command. What does it say?
Well, yes, Amit, in fact, a Congress worker has now written to the party High Command urging that DK Shivkumar be appointed as the Chief Minister of Karnataka. Well, the pressure seems to be mounting upon High Command with, we are seeing DK's faction holding private meetings and dinner meetings, and now we have seen a party worker also writing to High Command, mounting pressure on DK's be made the Chief Minister. And he also highlights how DK Shivkumar has successfully handled the responsibilities of KPCC as a president and also played a crucial role in bringing the party to power in 2023 with a thumping victory. He also emphasized that he's a loyal party worker and he should be given the appropriate position at the right time. All of this seems to have been, keeping a pressure on the High Command to take immediate decision on this matter, and most of them have now been writing letters, holding meetings, and some of them visiting Delhi. All of this seems like they want High Command to take a decision and let there be a change in the leadership is what all of them are emphasizing on at this point in time.
All right, it seems that this seems to be another approach that has now been done on part of certain supporters of Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar with this letter that seems to have now been penned to the party High Command to consider making Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar as the Karnataka Chief Minister. Now, we appreciate you joining us live on the broadcast. Let's now